So for my first, oh my gosh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long. I know. I'm so sorry. I know it's been a while. I'm sorry. I truly apologize. It's just that sometimes life happens and I just need like that type of like mental break. But I'm back now and I really am trying to get you guys videos like at least every week. That is my goal. But I'm so grateful to you guys. You guys just watch my videos whenever I do upload and I'm super grateful about that. Thank you for being patient. And yeah. Okay, before I even start this video, we have to address the red hair. What do you guys think? I colored it myself, which I'm kind of like super proud about. I had to do it twice because I didn't get it the first time. But that's just extra stuff you guys don't need to know. And it's so funny because like they say like redheads have more fun, and no wait, that's blondes. Never mind. But I know there's like a stereotype for redheads, so like I think it's they have kind of like a wild side or something, and I'm just sitting here waiting for my wild side to show up. Like, to be fair though, I'm only a redhead between the hours of like maybe 9 o'clock till 7 or at least until I come home and take this wig off. Enough of the rambling about my hair. Let's get into this video. Okay, so I wanted to start a new series on my channel that's going to be called Bebe's Beauty Basics. Now see what I did there with the alliteration? I'm gonna try to make them short, easy to understand, but like quite informative videos about skincare, maybe makeup. I know a little bit more about skincare than I do about makeup, but from the experience that I have, if there's anything I feel like that I'm good enough to show you guys, I definitely would. So you guys can help me out with this. If you have any questions, whether it has to do with skincare or makeup, it's gonna give me ideas for new videos basically. Starting with this one. So for my first BB Beauty Basics video, I wanted to answer a question left by one of my subscribers. They wanted to know more about AHAs and BHAs, so I thought this would be the best video to start off with. Plus I promised you guys in my over exfoliating video that I was going to do a video about this anyway, so I hope you enjoy. Basically this video is going to be about what AHAs and BHAs are, how you can combine them, how you can use them, how you can incorporate them into your skincare routine. AHA stands for alpha hydroxy acid. Now AHAs are water soluble acids. AHAs are typically derived from sugarcane, although they could also come from like other plant sources as well, so like fruits for example. AHAs are considered chemical exfoliants because what they do is that they use acids and enzymes to get rid of dead skin cells. AHAs are also responsible for increasing your skin cell turnover, which leads to less hyperpigmentation in your skin because it's just getting rid of that like dull, crappy, non-healthy, non-glowy looking skin. So there are quite a few different types of AHAs. So the most popular ones are Glycolic Acid, Lactic Acid, Mandelic Acid, and you also have tartaric acid, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, and probably not. You have citric acid and you have malic acid as well. I'm just going to go over the three kind of more popular ones for the sake of not having a super long video. So Glycolic Acids delivers the quickest results in terms of your exfoliation because of how small the molecules are. Because the smaller they are, the easier they are to absorb into your skin. So they give your skin like glowing results super quick. So the next one is lactic acids. Lactic acids are really good for improving your skin tone and texture. So if you have like age spots, skin spots, if you have uneven skin texture, like my skin texture is quite, I have like large pores, so lactic acid is really great for just smoothing out your skin tone and just basically evening out your skin. Now we're going to go to my favorite, which is Mandelic Acid. And the reason why Mandelic acids are my favorite is because of how non-irritating that they are. The reason why they're not as irritating and, you know, sensitive skin friendly as compared to the other AHAs is because of how large the molecules in Mandelic Acid are, because they absorb into your skin a little bit more slowly. And this isn't necessarily a bad thing, because that means it's great for people who either have sensitive skin, highly reactive skin, and people who are just getting into exfoliation. Mandelic acids are a great way to start your journey into AHAs and exfoliating your skin chemically. So there are a lot of benefits when it comes to incorporating AHAs into your skincare routine. So the most obvious one, like I keep saying, is exfoliation. AHAs also target all the areas of your skin, so both the outer layer and the deeper layer of your skin, so the epidermis and the dermis. So you might not know this, but AHAs actually also stimulate your collagen production. So increased collagen production just means that it gets rid of like those fine lines that you might have on your skin. So like I have like laugh lines around my mouth, just some on my forehead as well, and then it just gives you like, so it just gets rid of those and just gives you younger, brighter looking skin. So now we're going to be moving on to BHAs. So BHA stands for beta hydroxy acids. So if you're like me and you've struggled with acne before, so if you're going on the hunt for like acne fighting skincare products, you actually notice this ingredient a lot. It's super popular. It's called salicylic acid. Now, salicylic acid is like the OG of BHAs. In fact, it's like the BHA. If you remember, I said AHAs are water soluble. BHAs are actually oil soluble, so that's why they're typically almost always recommended for oily skin that are more prone to like acne, clogged pores, textured skin, blemishes. But if you don't have oily skin, if your skin is combo, dry, whatever it is, you can still benefit from salicylic acid because it's just recommended for people who have those issues. One of the benefits of BHAs is that they are tolerated by most skin types. So if you have sensitive skin, if you have skin that is prone to redness, if you have rosacea, BHAs are very good for that because they have skin calming properties. Another pro of BHAs is that you can use them every day because they are so gentle. So you could use them every day, unlike AHAs, which I typically don't recommend to use more than 2 or 3 times a week. Salicylic acid is also known to have antimicrobial properties, and they're also very good at helping to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads. BHAs also have the ability to deeply penetrate into your pores, that it has the ability to penetrate deeply into your skin and remove dead skin cells. It also gets rid of excess sebum or oils in your skin. So how do you choose between AHAs and BHAs? Honestly, it really depends on what your skincare concerns are, and sometimes it can depend on your skin type as well. So if your skin type is on the drier side and your skincare concerns are on like the surface level, so like acne scarring for example, AHAs are a good way to go because they target like hyperpigmentation, discoloration, things like that. They're very good for targeting those issues. Or if you have oily skin and your skincare issues are on a deeper level, like cystic acne for example, BHAs are a very good way to go. So if you're like me and you're stubborn and you want to use both, honestly, there's nothing wrong with that. No matter what your skin type is or whatever your skincare concerns are, you really can benefit from using AHAs and BHAs in your routine. You just have to know how to use them in the right way. Now, how do you combine AHAs and BHAs to work in your skincare routine? There are a lot of products that have both acids incorporated in them. However, this may cause skin irritation, especially if the AHAs, for example, are used in a very high concentration. I use both, but I don't like to use them in the same routine. Please use sunscreen if you intend to use any of these products. If you intend to use any AHAs, any BHAs, I beg you guys, I beg you in the name of God, use sunscreen, I beg. Please. When you exfoliate, you're taking off dead skin cells. So you're exposed, so the new skin that is coming out is very sensitive and it's very tender and it needs protection, and that's where your sunscreen comes in. So when you expose that layer of like new fresh skin, it is more sensitive to sun damage, discoloration, hyperpigmentation, and those other bad things that you don't want for your skin. So when you apply sunscreen, it just gives that layer of protection. So when the sun hits it, light hits it, it doesn't affect your new fresh skin, and your skin remains glowy and just nice and fresh and bright and all the good things that you could possibly think of. Anyway, bringing it back to AHAs versus BHAs and what's good, what's not good, whatever. Honestly, I feel like they're both very, very, very good exfoliators. I prefer chemical exfoliation to physical exfoliation, so AHAs and BHAs are really good. They have really been a game changer for my skincare routine. I totally recommend you giving it a try if you haven't already. Like I said, the thing about exfoliating is just starting small and then just working your way up. You don't have to jump into harsh acids at high concentrations. Just start small and then work your way up, and I can almost guarantee it's going to make a difference if you use sunscreen. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If there are any questions that you have regarding skincare or even makeup, I will try my best with that one. Please let me know. Put it in the comments and I will try my best to do a video on it. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!